In this video, I will show you how to add a checkbox into the workbook. Checkboxes are useful to register the user's selection. To use the checkbox, developer option should be enabled. Go to the preferences and then go to the ribbon. So click the ribbon and then select the developer option. Developer option is now enabled. So click there and select the checkbox. Click the cell where you want to insert the checkbox. So by default, the checkbox will have some default text. You can delete it. And to move the checkbox, you need to use the control key. So control and then click. Now you can resize the checkbox and move it wherever you want. So let me position it to the first cell. Then just drag the cells to copy the checkbox to the below cells. I can now make selections. So whenever I want to edit, I should use the control key. Next step is to link the state of the checkbox to a cell for further processing. To do that, press the control key and click the checkbox. Now go to the format option and select the cell link. Now I will select the cell E2 in this case, and I will do that for all the checkboxes. Here it will be E3, and I will do for the other checkboxes as well. Now when I select the checkbox, the state of the checkbox is displayed in column E. So it changes from true to false if I deselect. Next, let's see how we can get the name of all the items that are selected. For that, we will use formulas. Let me put a label. Go to the formulas tab and click the functions. So we will search for filter function. Insert the function and the first argument, that array, we will select all the names. Then the condition is it has to be true. So we will select all the values in the E column. Put an equals and type in true. Now if it is empty, we will just put an empty string. Click done. Now when I select, the selected item's name is displayed. It changes dynamically. Let's now look at how we can calculate the total price of all the selected items. So this will be similar to a shopping cart. You select items, it displays the selected items and also the total price. So again, I will use function, but here I will use sum if function. I'll search for sum if and then insert function. For the range, I will select the E column where you have the true false values. And for the criteria, I will type true. And for the sum, we need to calculate the total price. So I will select all the values in column C. Click done. Now when I select items, the total price is computed automatically.